Well, surgery is a manual handicraft. You need knowledge from textbooks, but you will never master the techniques of surgery without hands training. The Gynforum of Dubai provide a state-of-art workshop, hands-on training on a real virtual simulators, which can give the exact feeling of the movement of hysteroscopic and intrauterine surgery. We have 4 full stations from Karlsruhe, Germany, with the state-of-art simulators, graspers, scissors, resectoscope, with a real models to operate upon. My hand on your hand. The fine movement of hysteroscopic surgery is transmitted from the wrist and from tips of the fingers. So when you watch a surgeon, you can see the beautiful performance, but you cannot know or you cannot feel how this articulation bring this movement. So it's a one-of-a-kind workshop. I call it an experience, not just a workshop, to absorb and learn the fine skills and talents for intrauterine surgery. Gynforum of Dubai, meet me there and have an experience of one of a kind. Sama Shawi, Cairo University, Egypt.